Guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back in the kitchen again. Today I'll be doing Barbie fried chicken and curried beef. The beef is seasoned already. So now I'm going to season the chicken, and I'll be using almost the same seasonings. So first I'll add the Maggi all-purpose. This is some ketchup powder. It is to give the chicken some color. This is the easy spice, and my blend seasoning. So I season the beef before the chicken because it takes a longer while to marinate. So now I'm rubbing in the seasoning. I'm getting it all over the chicken, and I'm going to leave this to soak and start with the beef. Then I'll show you how I do my Barbie fried chicken, and this will be my first time doing Barbie fried chicken, so wish me luck. So this is what the seasoned chicken looks like. I'm just going to cover it and leave it to marinate and show you guys the process. So this is my Mother's Day dinner. I'm cooking dinner for my mother. So happy Mother's Day, or happy belated Mother's Day. It all depends on when you see this video. I'm using my pressure cooker pot, so it's preheated. I'm going to add some oil now, and when it heats, I think that's too much oil, I'm going to remove some. Table oil in the pot, it's heating. When it's heated, I'm going to add some curry powder and let it burn. And I'm also going to add a piece of Scotch bonnet pepper. So that is to spice it up. So I'm going to leave that and let it burn a little bit. Then I'll add the beef. I can smell the spice, it's really spicy. So I'm going to leave that for about 3 minutes. Leave it uncovered for about 3 minutes, and then I'm going to add some water and let it pressure. This will also be my first time doing curried beef. I have done stewed beef before, and As I said, this is my first time doing Barbi-fried chicken, so please let me know how you do yours. Please share in the comment section and let me know how you do yours. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe and share. So I just add the water in there, so I'm going to cover the pot and leave it to pressure. I have a bowl of flour here, and I'm going to be coating the chicken with it and adding it to the pot of hot oil. I also added a piece of Scotch bonnet pepper in the oil to give it a little spice. So this is one whole chicken. I'm not sure I'm not sure how much it weighs, but it's one whole chicken. I'm looking for the other leg. So I have 5 pieces here. So I'll be transferring the pieces of chicken into the oil now. The oil is hot. You can see the pepper in there. So I'm going to leave that to fry for about until it's cooked on one side. Then I'm going to flip it over, and then I'll transfer it to the oven and do the barbecue part. The first set of chicken from the pot, and I add another set. So beef is cooked. It tastes like curried goat. It tastes very delicious. I don't think I'm going to eat brown stew beef anymore. So here I have some carrots, scallion, I have onion, and I also have sweet pepper. So I'm going to add it to the pot and add a little more water and leave it to boil down. Then I'll turn it off. It is well seasoned and it has spice in there. It's very delicious. So I'm going to leave this to boil. I'm going to cover it and leave it to boil and show you the remaining process of the Barbi-fried chicken. Oven is preheating. This is all the chicken that I fried. Now I'm going to make some sauce to put on it so that it can go in the oven. So I have some ketchup, our ketchup. I have some ketchup here. I'm trying to make barbecue sauce. I don't have any. As I said, this is the first time I'm doing it. I'm also going to add a little browning. I'm not adding too much because I don't want it too black. I'm going to add some sugar and some seasoning. So I'm going to combine them all together. I hope this imitates the taste of barbecue sauce. Let me taste it. It kind of tastes like it. So I'm going to add some water and mix it. I think I'm going to let this boil for a few minutes. So I'm putting on the sauce. I think this is a good imitation of store-bought barbecue sauce. I did not put it on the stove to boil since I'm going to put it in the oven. So I'm putting the chicken in the oven. So I'm going to leave it in there for about 5 to 10 minutes. And I'm also going to add more sauce while it's in there. It's served. So here I have curried beef, Barbi-fried chicken, rice and peas. I have some Irish potato salad here, and I have some tomatoes and cucumbers here. The beef tastes good. It tastes like good. The chicken tastes good also. The food tastes exceptional. I am very proud of myself, and this is my first time doing it. And I will be washing it down with a glass of soursop juice. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please let me know in the comment section how you do yours, and share your recipes with me. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.